Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Singaporean Talks Money. So today what I'll be doing is I'll be using the FSMone app to show you guys how you can buy stocks, create your ETF regular savings plans, and also to buy US stocks. So first, a disclaimer, not in any way am I encouraging you to buy any stocks or make any purchase if you are not ready. And I'm not sponsored by FSMone app, definitely. So this is just like a tutorial to show you how am I using the app for my stock purchases. So what I'll be covering first is how you can check your cash balances and also your investments. Next, I'll move on to show how you can start an ETF regular savings plan. And then the next part will be how you can buy an individual stock, US stock, and how to set a price alert for it. And last will be showing you how to access the charts to monitor the stocks. So let's get into it. You log into the app, you'll come into the home page. So the home page here, they have just a lot of different articles for you to read through. For example, if you are new, you can view their guides and also what other promotions do they have. They also have prices, stocks, what is in the market, and then usually I don't spend too much time on the homepage over here. So first I'll show you how to check your cash balances and investments. So first you can click on the bottom right hand corner, my account, and so you can see this is basically the overview. So you go to my cash solutions. So under my cash solutions, you can view what is your available cash in terms of SG, USD or Hong Kong dollar, depending on what currencies you have. So on the left hand side, you can click on investments and you'll be able to see the total investments that you have. For example, mine, the total investment amount right now is about 2,800, and you can see your profit or losses. And for me, definitely my portfolio is in the red right now. So if you scroll down, you can see the total units of what I am holding. So for now, I'm holding 3 stocks. For example, the STI ETF, Tracker Fund, and the Vanguard Total World Stock ETF. So you can see my Vanguard Total World Stock ETF is in the green, whereas the other 2 is in the red. So yep, this is how you can view your investments for your account. Alright. And also the cash balance. So next, what I'll show you is how you can set up an ETF regular savings plan. So what you can do is to click my regular savings plan, and then what you want is to scroll down to exchange traded funds, and you can click apply regular savings plan. So then you can scroll down and read through. Of course, definitely you can see the ETF regular savings plan buy orders is usually on the 8th, and for the sell orders is on the 15th, if both dates are on a business day. So if you scroll further down, you can see all the regular savings plan ETF that you can choose for, opt for. So you can see they have Vanguard S&P 500, the Hang Seng Index, iShares, and you can click to see the different types. So let's say I would like to buy the iShares Core S&P 500 ETF. So you just have to scroll it, click Add Regular Savings Plan. Correct. So once you click that, you can scroll down and you can put the monthly amount that you like, and also what you like to put in every month. Then you can proceed to check out. So for example, right now I'm also buying the Vanguard Total World Stock Index Fund ETF shares. So I can also edit the monthly amount that I want. So for example, right now I'm buying 210 USD per month. So I can change the amount whatever I like, and then I update it. I can also choose to sell it as and when I like it. Yep. So that is how you can start an ETF regular savings plan. So next will be how you can buy an individual stock and to set a price alert on it. So for example, you click on trade, which is the center button, live trading, and then you search for whatever stock that you like. For example, I'd like to buy Tesla. Correct. So you click on Tesla. You can see the price right now, how much it is. So you click transact now. So usually is the purchasing power is through your cash account. So you have to make sure that your cash account have sufficient amount for you to buy. So you can click buy, choose the quantity that you like, limit order, the price that you like to buy in it, and also whether it's a good till date or a day order. And then you can preview the order and set it. Since I don't have enough cash in my account right now, I can't purchase any. So how do we set a price alert? So you can go to track. Another track, you can see there's a watch list, alert, and triggered. So what I can do is you go to alert, you add a new alert, for example, and then you can see that you can choose whatever stock that you want. So for example, I can choose Tesla, and I can choose the floor price and the ceiling price that I like to have an alert on. After which I can just click set alert, and then it's set. So automatically if it hits any of the prices, it will have an alert for me being triggered. So last is how can you use the charts in the app to take a look. So for example, I'd like to see the charts. So you can click full screen, it becomes a full screen. And then you can see the charts in terms of yearly, 5-year, or 10-year growth. I don't usually use the charts here, but they have quite a lot of details and also valuations for you to take a look at. So for now, that's about it. That's usually how I use this app for. And thank you for staying to the end. Do like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video. And stay tuned for more interesting videos on my end. Thank you.